Tiguan. Build your Tiguan. Starting MSRP $28,880. 1. Performance. Turbocharged 2.0 TSI engine with 184 horsepower and 221 lb-ft of torque. City/highway 22/29 EPA estimated. 2. Spacious. 7 seats with third row seating. Lower maintenance costs. 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan costs less to maintain than its 2023 competitors. 3. Peace of mind included. 5-year CarNet safe and secure plan. 4. Carefree Coverage. Available on all new 2024 Tiguan vehicles. 5. Request a quote. Style, versatility, and power. Wonderfully together. When good things come together, that's Tiguan. Within a sophisticated and thoughtful design, you get a sharp all-around SUV that's just about as wonderful as utility gets. A Tiguan shown in opal white drives down a winding, 2-lane wooded road, as seen from the front driver's side. View exterior gallery. Interior view from passenger seat of Tiguan driver's area, showing displays, steering wheel, and ambient lighting around trim and dash. We've been working on our accents. Tiguan SE R-Line black with 4Motion in opal white parked with grass and trees in background while 2 people standing nearby looking at arranged bouquets of flowers. It's true. The all-around style of the R-Line black speaks volumes. There are bold black exterior features and accents surrounding the entire vehicle. A Tiguan shown in Atlantic blue metallic is parked at an apple farm. A couple talks at the rear driver's side of a Tiguan shown in Atlantic blue metallic outside a roadside farm. A smiling couple, carrying a small potted flowering plant, shops at a roadside farm near a parked Tiguan shown in Atlantic blue metallic. Close-up shot of LED headlights and R-Line badge on the front grille of a Tiguan shown in Atlantic blue metallic. Everything you want, for everything you'll do. Close-up of R-Line badging on door under side view mirror of Tiguan shown in Atlantic blue metallic. Performance. It has the pickup and it has the moves. A Tiguan shown in opal white, driving on a 2-lane road with trees in the background, as seen from front. Turbocharged horsepower together with nimble, agile handling gives you the freedom to move about the highways and back roads with the Tiguan. Build your Tiguan. Starting MSRP $28,880. 1. Performance. Turbocharged 2.0 TSI engine with 184 horsepower and 221 lb-ft of torque. City/highway 22/29 EPA estimated. 2. Spacious. 7 seats with third row seating. Lower maintenance costs. 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan costs less to maintain than its 2023